The first smell of rain. First smell of rain. I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually really raining really hard. It's raining. Rain is fun. Rain. I don't know if you can see this. There's rain. See if I can zoom in on rain. I see no rain. Well, it is raining. It is raining. Holy crap. Raining is hard. Oh yeah, you can see the rain now. It's raining that hard. Tip, if you're looking at trees and you're in the wilderness, like in this place, you can really see rain very well. That's how heavy the rain is. That's awesome. Well, see you guys later, and then it is raining forever.